Welcome to Appliance Tech Tutorials. On this video, I'm sharing with you the method that I've used to repair this fridge. You can see that I've replaced the condenser. Definitely, if I've replaced the condenser, you know that the internal condenser or whatever condenser that was here was leaking. In the moment I'm vacuuming the fridge, I'm gonna put gas on the system. By the way, this is an LG fridge freezer. It has the wiring diagram there as it can be seen. The internal condenser for this fridge freezer was leaking, so I just disconnected it. We also had the leak on the evaporator on the freezer. The evaporator on the fridge was not leaking. So this is the front view of the fridge. It's an express cool model. That is the surname of the owner of this fridge. Inside here, we've got the thermostat that detects the temperature at the back, because there is an evaporator at the back of that plastic. So I did nothing there. I didn't install the cold plate because that evaporator is not leaking. It's made up of copper, while the bottom one was made up of soft aluminum and was leaking. In the moment my fridge is running, my copper pipe that I've installed have frost already. I also have another pipes that I've installed here, replacing the soft aluminum ones. So I've got 3 rows of these copper pipe here. So everything on this one is copper now. I'm sorry that I didn't document everything on this one. It's just that me and the owner, we had a lot to discuss. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.